we are here again for our DIY adventure. Now, as you can see, we have here Emily, one of my IT dolls. Now, she's actually an industry doll. So, um, her clothes actually fit well with the Barbie Made to Move. That is why I also adore her. Now, you see Emily here, though she has a Christmas tree there because we love Christmas here. She is invited for a Halloween um, costume party. Yes. Now, the theme of our Halloween costume party, princesses. Yes. So, happily ever after. Now, because Emily is a big fan of the Frozen movie and she likes Anna very much, let's make a Princess Anna doll costume. Yes. Emily here will be very happy to wear her costume. So let's go and make our Princess Anna doll costume. So here we have the cloth we're going to use to make Princess Anna a Frozen costume. Now, the colors of Princess Anna is teal. This one, the upper part, right? Okay, so I remember the dress that we will make is a initial dress that she wore during the Frozen Part 1. Yes, the one wherein she grew up and she's looking for her sister because somehow her sister Queen Elsa wasn't able to comprehend her powers. So anyway, because we like Anna, we're going to make her outfit. Now, for the upper part, for the long sleeves, we're going to use this blue teal silk cloth. Yes. And then for her skirt, we're going to use this one. Actually, it should be royal blue, but this is the closest one we have here available. So that would do. And then for her a black vest, we'll be thinking if we can find something nice, maybe a leatherette. Yes, a faux leather. So for now, we'll just focus on the skirt and the long sleeves, which is actually easier. Yes. So anyway, remember we're going to use Emily, and Emily is industry integrity doll. So the dress that we will be making might possibly fit Made to Move Barbie or fashionista Barbie. Yes, because integrity dolls, okay, for the industry doll line have that similar, yes, not identical, just similar length and body measurement. So anyway, let's enjoy our creation. So what I did, I already outlined the pattern here. Okay, so we have the front and the back. Yes. Now, because this cloth is very sensitive, yes, because it would easily run. So I'm planning to have a lining with it. We might be using the same cloth or maybe a Gina Earth cloth, the same color or white. Okay, so we'll be just using what is available here. So we're going to cut this out, and then this is the front of the long sleeve blouse. Yes, and then the back. So let's do it. So now that we are finished with her upper blouse, for her dress, so we're going to make a circle so that we can have a flowing skirt, because like the character Princess Anna, so this was her attire from the first movie. So let's make a circle. So here you can see I started making Princess Anna's vest. So I had to do some needlework. I'm not an expert with this, but I try my best to make it look very much alike to the drawing of Princess Anna. Now, what I'm trying to do now is to put the golden trimmings at the sides. So I'm using this gold cloth that I had available. Yes. So we're going to put the golden trimming here. And then here at the center. Yes. Okay. And then down below. Yes. So, okay, we're going to do this. Let's finish this up so that our Princess Anna's costume would be okay. So, as you can see, I decided to put the designs on the skirt because we had actually one whole blue skirt for Princess Anna. And then for this, I had to make it somewhat similar to the animation, but it was quite difficult, okay, for a short time because after you've done it several times, it's been really amusing. Yes, it's like a relaxing activity to do this. Yes, so I really had fun. Now it might not be the same. Okay, it might be not identical, but I'm not a professional, so we're just sewing it to give more of the distinct look from the animation. Actually, this should be dark blue, but I don't have anything here, so I'm using the available materials I have so that we can have cost cutting. Nonetheless, I really enjoyed making the details. Now, after this, we're going to put some beads, and then once again the red flower there on top. Yes, so we're going to somehow make it similar. Okay, so anyway, let's try to finish this so that after it's all done, we can actually let our doll wear it once again, right? So let's go, let's finish this. So here I had already finished sewing the details of the skirt of Princess Anna. So as you can see, we already did this part, and then I had to embroider the petals, the leaves, and everything. So the colors might be different from the animated skirt, but I tried my best to make it more realistic. And then okay, we have here the vest of Princess Anna. Actually, I think Arendale's crest is more of the flowers, yes, that blooms in spring. Now, the long sleeves, this one is a different color from this because we already lacked the cloth that we need, the material. Now, I'm using my doll, okay, Miss Russia. So her hair might not be Princess Anna brown, but this was the time that Princess Anna's hair became grayish. Remember that scene wherein Princess Anna tried to save her sister Elsa. Yes, Queen Elsa. So that's it. So we have finally finished our Princess Anna. Now we're lacking just one detail, and that is her sort of robe. Yes, so Princess Anna's robe that looks like a cape. But anyway, we're going to do it, so come with me. So this is Princess Anna's robe or cloak or cape. So many nouns to describe it. Nonetheless, I use this recyclable sort of paper bag. Yes, so there are a lot of recyclable paper bags that has a cloth-like texture, so I use the color that is available in our home. Actually, it should be a little bit magenta or purple, but this is close enough. So nonetheless, I had to sew the embroidered red lace as the design. Yes, and I will be using the hook and eye to close it because I like to have the sense that it's like this. Okay, it's not going to overlap. So that's it. It's very easy. So we can actually make doll clothes using our recyclable materials at home. Yes. So if you have some materials that is sort of a fabric kind of material, you can recycle it and make a lot of stuff for your dolls. So let's find out how it will look like. Oh, how it will look like if our Princess Anna wears it. Okay?